Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to know if someone is verified on Bumble. So let me come here on the Discover page and let me show you something. So this is how you know if someone is verified. You want to look for a blue shield with a white star. Okay, this person does not have it, this person does not have it, even this person does not have it. But this person does, as you can see right here. You see next to their name and then their age, you see a blue shield, okay, with a white star. Now, depending on your app version, you'll see it as black as well, right? Depending on your device. So this means that the account is verified. And the way they did that is that the user was prompted to take a selfie mimicking a random pose, which is then compared to their profile photos by Bumble's support team. And if the selfie matches the profile photos, basically the profile is verified, and a blue shield, or in this case, in my app's version, a black shield with a white star appears on their profile. Really that easy and simple. Even this person is verified.